Hey, welcome back everyone. In this lecture, we will understand the types of penetration testing. Now, whenever this word penetration testing is said, then it means that you are doing white hat hacking. You have taken all the required permissions from the owner and from the responsible concerned persons. Okay. Now, you can try to pen test any machine or any system in many different ways, and in real experience when you go on to the industrial jobs, then any client can ask you to do penetration testing in any kind of environment. Now there are three basic environments, which is the black box, gray box and white box. Okay, so what is a white box testing? Let's start from this one. A white box testing means you have all the source code of the project. For example, if I am being hired to test PHMC securities, I have been given all the internal HTML files, XML files, and anything, any kind of source code which can be there. I have been given full access to the database, and I have been given full access to all the things. I have been given username and password of this website. I have been given all information that can practically be, possibly given. Whatever I am asking the client, they are giving me. So this is the white box testing. You know why white box testing is done? For example, I just want to know that is there any minor weakness in my website or my system? Is there any way that a person can go ahead and crack everything? So any minor thing is taken in white box testing, and this is very expensive kind of test, because you are going to audit all the source code and all, so it's very expensive. Then comes is the gray box. In gray box, we are not giving the source code and we are not giving a lot of information. We just give some relevant information which is required. For example, someone can give me a user account access, not an admin access of this website, but a user access, right? And maybe a manager level access. So I can go ahead and test some things, but I will not be given full access. And then comes is the black box, where we don't have any information, we don't have any account, we don't have any source code, we don't have any information. So why black box testing is done? For example, I want to make sure that is there any possibility that a black hat hacker can come and hack my website, or can come and hack my system, can come and hack my organization, anything. So whatever a black hat hacker can do, we just want to test those things at that level, and we are doing that thing legally with all permissions. So that is why it is a black box penetration testing. This was the type of penetration testing on the basis of style, but there can be the basis of areas. Okay, so in the basis of areas, we have network penetration testing, application penetration testing, or any kind of testing. Basically, we can divide the area of the work. So if we are only working on the network, then it is called as network penetration testing. All right, so that can be an area, and it can also be divided in external and internal. So if I want to test the external things of a company or a organization, which can be the servers, the machines which are outside the control, the website and other kind of information, the softwares which are publicly available, all those things are external. If I want to test the internal things, for example, testing the employees for the social engineering, right, and other internal stuff, for example, if we assume that the hacker is in the company, then what he can do out there. So those all things are internal testing, right? So penetration testing is a very vast field, and this was just a quick overview of what can be the types of penetration testing. Now this was the last lecture of theory, and congratulations on completing the course till now. Thank you so much for watching.